And Malacanang assures a sufficient power supply in Luzon and the Visayas this coming summer. Presidential spokesman Edwin Lasierda gave the assurance in the wake of apprehensions that there will be rotational brownouts during the summer months. According to Secretary Lasierda, the palace sees no problem on the power supply in Luzon and the Visayas. He admitted, however, that some areas in Mindanao will continue to experience power outages.
Ang point talaga doon, everything as stated already by Secretary Petilla even before, it will really fully be normalized in 2015 when the power plants owned by Alsons and by Aboitiz will be sometime 2015. If you remember, and also just a clarification, the power outage in Mindanao does not cover the entire Mindanao. Let me just state some of the areas where there is power. Davao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Bukidnon, Agusan del Norte, and Misamis Oriental. These areas have power because they have embedded generators. Ibig sabihin, mga co-ops, may mga may mga power plants sila. Pangalawa, either they